everybody, I'm Kate with Crate Insider, and today I'm here with Buck Parker from Daytona 1, and we have a product sitting right here on the table. We have the Dirt Track Racing Trans Fluid with Defrictionators. That is a mouthful of a title.
Yeah. I guess we could have cut that a little bit short, couldn't we? But it tells a lot. It tells what it does. And this, just to tell you a little bit about it, this is a true synthetic, a full synthetic. It's a Group 5 base stock, and with a group of additive packages that really does a great job. Good for a Bert, Bren and Falcon. It lasts longer. You're gonna shift better. It's just made for that type of transmission with the clutches. The clutches are going to work perfectly. So, the nice thing about it is, when you check it, you'll see that it's still normally it's still light in color. It's going to, this oil won't go bad. It might get dirty, but it doesn't go bad. It's a great product.
Well, and I love that you did keep it clear, because of course you could make this any color that you'd want it to be, but leaving it with clear. And I have to say, I've gotten definitely had the customer phone call before where Dad calls me and says, my son every season runs through like 3 clutches a year. I put this in, I can't believe it. He's still running the same clutch.
Yeah.
He hasn't worn it out. So, some people are harder on different things than others.
Yeah.
But another question I get is, is it good for like a Bren or
Sure.
any of these? Because a lot of these different transmissions require, or they recommend an oil, like a motor oil, and yet this, tell us about that.
Bren's, they're all great transmission. Bren's great transmission. They make different. They got 6 or 7 different models and stuff. But yes, this will work in all of the Brens that I've ever worked with for the last 5 or 6 years with this particular oil. But maybe guess more than that, hasn't it?
Yeah, more like 8 or 9.
8 or 9 years. So, but yes, but what we do recommend, if any manufacturer tells you to use a specific oil, use it. Because we don't go against manufacturers. We don't go against if your engine builder tells you to go pee in the tank. Go pee in the tank. That's because you paid him the money to do it. So listen to him, because those are the people that can help you. But this product will work in Bert, Bren and Falcons. Does a great job. It's going to shift. It proven to make it shift better, proven to allow the clutches to last longer. So just a great little product. It'll add to everything that you do. It's going to help you run a little bit better.
Well, and it's built for the heat. Being a full synthetic, it's built for the heat that we build up in especially with dirt track racing and racing in general. That can certainly be a challenge with other oils where they could break down, and you're not going to find that same thing.
When in a true synthetic, a full synthetic, all the molecular structure, every one of them is the same. So in a normal motor oil, the molecular structure, there would be oblong. There could be all kinds of different sizes. So this is going to flow better. It's going to run better, and it's going to handle heat better. It's going to handle moisture better. So all the things that can cause you problems down the road. So a great product. Give it a try. If we can answer any questions, we'd love to talk to you about it.
Yeah, any questions, drop them into the comments. And if you want to pick up a quart for yourself, you can find it at our website at CrateInsider.com. Thank you so much for your time today, Buck.
Thanks so much. Appreciate everybody. Thank you.